Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Aussie yen and AUD USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that AUD USD and AUDJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame on Aussie yen to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that Aussie yen is a long-term bullish market. What we saw that with this monthly impulse, Aussie yen created this strong movement to the upside, followed by previous months. We have seen that Aussie yen has formed a long week monthly doji. Now, this doji in fact tested this important monthly previous resistance turn support here, and as a result this month we have seen that once the market open, Aussie yen has come down, tested the lower week of this monthly doji, and again we saw that rejection creating series of higher low. That means that Aussie yen bulls are getting stronger, and we could see that slowly the price is breaking this monthly high to create a new higher high. At least we can expect Aussie yen now to go ahead and test this monthly resistance level. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, Aussie yen has a very high probability for potential upside. There is a weekly impulse with this pin bar, as you have seen. It's a strong impulse followed by a bull flag. Now, from that bull flag, we saw that Aussie yen has broken towards the downside, grabbed enough liquidity, and previous week we saw a bullish candle that has a long wick at the top. So this is a very high probability bullish trading opportunity, and we can expect Aussie yen now to go ahead and fill this all this imbalance and to create a new higher high. Now if we look at the daily time frame on Aussie yen, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily candle that has tested this doji, and the price now almost nearly in the daily closing, and we could see that a daily pin bar in that area on Aussie yen, and then we can expect a bullish move to the upside. As news coming later today, we could see that AUD pairs getting very volatile, especially Aussie yen. We can expect for the price to move up and to create a new higher high. Now if we look at the 4 hour or intraday perspective, we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder on Aussie yen, a break with this long middleman, which is closing in just 40 minutes later. And we could see that Aussie yen from this support level, which also acted here in the past as a resistance here, and also resistance here, turning support here. And we see the price is breaking to the upside to create a new higher high. So from this level, we will consider, as soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now looking at AUD USD. Now as you can see, AUD USD is in a downtrend, but you saw that with this strong rejection, AUD USD currently has formed potentially bullish price action. If we look at the monthly, we can see that from the monthly perspective, the price has just come down to this monthly support level, and from this support we saw that AUD USD had a bounce. Now this is the monthly price action after creating an overextended. AUD USD had a bounce, and we could see that the price going up to this monthly resistance again to create a new higher high. Now if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, the price has crossed this weekly low, and we see the price slowly rejecting. As you can see, this is an overextended market. We can expect now a retest of this neckline of this weekly support and resistance here, and from the weekly perspective as well, we can expect AUD USD to move up to this resistance zone. Now from the daily, we see that the price has crossed this liquidity zone and forming a doji. Now with this doji formation, what I think that AUD USD, we could see the price is going up to create a new higher high. As you see, there is a long wick pin bar, and we could see that the price is going up to fill that imbalance or even breaking this high to create a new higher high. So from the further lower time frame, from intraday perspective, we see that AUD USD currently form a bullish engulfer, which is also closing in couple of minutes. And with that bullish engulfer, the price in fact gathered liquidity multiple times, forming a double bottom, giving a very high probability for AUD USD to remain bullish in the upcoming sessions and days. Now, with that said, along this zone, as we are running a trade on a USD, as soon as we will find another entry opportunity on the lower time frame, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below that will support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.